Hey everybody, I'm here looking at an entrance for a listing that I have, and I just wanted to give some tips on how to make this first impression of your home a lot better. For example, let me point out a few things. The house needs to be pressure washed. There is quite a bit of dirt on the siding, the windows, the actual concrete. You can tell where there used to be a mat there, and the door itself, as you can probably see, needs some new weather stripping, and it needs some paint, and it most likely needs a wreath, maybe a couple of potted plants. Here's another no-no. When someone walks up to your porch, you don't want to see bugs, spider webs. This, I think, is from dirt daubers. There's a start of a bee's nest right there, and another start of a bee's nest right there. Spider web, another dirt dauber. Hi everybody, we are back with the results after freshening up the front door of this house. As I spoke about before, it needs to be cleaned and painted, and a wreath and a doormat, which I've done that except for the pressure washing. Still got to get that done. As you can see, I'd like for the stain to go away underneath the mat. We did do some great improvements. The color I like is fresh and bright. The wreath is hung a little bit high. I will have to get an adjustable wreath hanger to hang that a little lower than it is now. Did replace the torn up, looking ragged type of weather stripping that was there before, so that looks better. A couple of other things you could do to this door is you could replace the lock and the hardware, but I did these improvements for less than $50, so that you can do very well yourself and get your house looking the best it can look. The entrance, again, is the first impression to your home.